Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude, and that is of course being important one. In quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability. This is your 12th topic, that is your ratio and proportion, and this is your classes your 128, 127 classes we had done. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Today we're gonna start with your 73rd question of the session, because we had done 72 questions in the last 127 classes. So here we go, and for the same, let's find it out. The average age of three boys is 25 years, and their ages are in the proportion 3:5:7. The age of the youngest boy is, that you have to talk about it, and option is 21 years, 18 years, 15 years and 9 years. Let's find it out. So for the same, we'll find it out here. Let's go for the same. The average age of three boys is 25 years, and their ages are in the proportion in the proportion 3:5:7. The age of the youngest boy is that you have to talk about it. Let's go for the option 21 years, 18 years, 15 years and 9 years. Let's go for the same. So here will total age of three boys that that has been given here. So we just the average has been given, so we'll find it out. Total age of three boys equals to 25 into 3 years, which is equals to 75 years. So ratio of their ages (3 ratio 5 ratio 7). Age of the youngest, we'll find it, because they had told me age of the youngest. We have to find out age of the youngest equals to 75 into 3 upon 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So it will become, here is your 15 years. So it will be 15 years. That has been the right answer. Let's go for moving ahead with another important question, and that is the 74th question of the session. So the question we have: the speeds of the three cars are in the ratio 5:4:6. The ratio between the time taken by them to travel the same distance is, the options is 5:4:6, 6:4:5, 10:12:15, and 12:15:10 here. So we go for this, and that we have to talk about it. Let's find it out. The speeds of the three cars are in the ratio 5:4:6. The ratio between the time taken by them to travel the same distance. So here we go. Total age of three boys. Three boys equals to 25 into 3 years, which is equals to 75 years. Ratio of their ages. That is equals to 3:5:7. Age of the youngest, that we talk about it. And so here we go for the next. So ratio of the time taken, that has been the another way. Sorry, we are dealing with the above question only. I just read it out, the above question. Sorry for the mistake. Let's find it out. Ratio, three cars and are in the ratio 5:4:6, and that the ratio between taken by them. Okay, so we'll go for ratio of time taken. Ratio of time taken 1/5, 1/4, and 1/6. So it will be 12:15:10. Okay, let's find out for the next. Here we go, and that has been the another important question, which is your 75th question of the session. And that the question we have: in a college, the ratio of the number of boys to girls is 8:5. If there are 160 girls, the total number of students in the college is, that you have to talk about it. And the options is 100, 250, 260, and 416. So let's find it out. That has been the 75th one. In a college, the ratio of the number of boys to girl is if there are 160 girls, total number of students in the college is options is 100 to 50 to 60 and 416. Let's find it out. Let the number of boys and girls boys and girls be 8x and 5x respectively. Then 5x equals to 160, which is x equals to 32. So total number of students equals to 13x equals to 13 into 32, which is equals to 460. That will be right answer we have. Now we further move to the 76th question of the session, and of course that has been the important one. Let's find it out. So we'll go for it. 76th question. So the 76th question we have here that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1/2, ratio 1/3, ratio 1/4, and its perimeter is 104 centimeter. The length of the longest side is that you have to find out. Option is 52 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 32 centimeter, and 26 centimeter. Let's find it out. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and its perimeter is 104 centimeter. The length of the longest side is the length of the longest side is that we have to find it out. So the option is 52 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 32 centimeter, and 26 centimeter. So here we go for the solution. Ratio of the sides. So we go for this, and that we have to talk about it, and let's find it out here. So we'll go for one by one, and that, as I told you, all these questions were important for you and you have to find it out. First we'll go for the ratio of sides. So the ratio of sides, which is being 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4, which is equals to 6, 4, 3. So the largest side equals to 104. और C है 6 है, so it will be into 6 upon it is 13. The sum of this is 30 centimeter. It will be 48 centimeter. That will be the right answer. Now we go for the next, and that we talk about it, which is being another question. We deal with it, and of course that has been important one. Another question we have here is that the ratio of the number of boys and girls in a school is 3:2. If 20% of the boys and girls is 25% of the girls, are scholarship holders, what percentage of the student does not gain the scholarship, that you have to find it out. And let's find it out for the same, and that is of course the important one. This is being your 77. The ratio of the numbers of boys and girls in the school is 3/2 ratio 2. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are scholarship holder, what percentage of the students does not give the scholarship? The options was 56, 70, 78 and 80. Let's go for the same, and we have to find it out. Let boys here, let boys equals to 3x and girls equals to 2x. Number of those who do not get scholarship which is equals to 80% of 3x plus 75% of 2x equals to 80 upon 100 into 3x plus 75 upon 100 into 2x, which is equals to 39x upon 10, because 0 been cancelled here and the 0 been also been cancelled here. This is x now, so sorry, this has been the 0 here, and then again here for this it will be cancelled by 5. So further it will give you 39x upon 10. Now required percentage, we find it out. Equals to 39x upon 10 into 1 upon 5x into 100. So x being cancelled x, and then here 0 being cancelled by 0, it will 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, so 39 2s are, it will be 78%. That we get as an answer here. Now further it will move is your 78th question of the session, and that is of course being important 178 question. Let's find it out here. and that is, in a school, your 19% of the boys are same in the number as 1 by 4th of the girls. What is the ratio of the boys to girls in that school? The options is 3 ratio 2, 5 ratio 2, 2 ratio 1, and 4 ratio 3 here. So let's find it out, and we'll have to figure it out as well. Let's go for the same. Let's go for the 78 question here. We'll go for the same. So here the set test is the side of a the question is, in a school, %90 of the boys are same in number as 1 by 4th of the girls. What is the ratio of boys? Two girls in that school. The option is 3 ratio 2, 5 ratio 2, 2 ratio 1, and 4 ratio 3. So let's find it out. Of B, 1 upon 4 G, it is 10B upon 100 equals to 1.4 G. B equals to 5 by 2 G. B upon G equals to 5.2 BG equals to 5 ratio 2. That we get here. Okay, so here we're gonna end up with, and we'll continue with the next questions in the next class, and that is of course an important one. So we go for it, and that has been 129 classes, and that is of we're discussing this. The question that we'll discuss there is 79th question here. Yeah, 79 question we'll discuss in the next time class, where we're gonna end up with, and it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share, and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. In terms of quantitative aptitude, we have started with arithmetical ability. In that, we even though had done your numbers, operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion. That has been the 12th topic. After that, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and screens, allegations on mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man out series, data interpretation, tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we're gonna end up with, thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you.